The hum of Windsor. A persistent, unexplained humming sound heard in Ontario, Canada. The hum of Windsor, an unknown noise. 1. Description. Reported low-frequency humming sounds from Windsor, Ontario, since 2011. 2. Affected areas. Windsor residents, as well as those in surrounding areas, say the noise is disruptive. 3. Possible sources. Studies point to industrial activity on Michigan's Zug Island, perhaps connected. 4th, impacts. For impacted people, impacts sleep, attention, and quality of life. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.